Hello guys, now we need install print Docuprint. You're looking the serial and testing print for smartphone. Okay, step 1, you search Fuji Xerox. You search Fuji Xerox from Play Store and click Play Store. View Fuji Xerox and open. If you install Fuji Xerox print, okay, Fuji Xerox utility, Fuji Xerox print utility, you install and you open. Okay, step 2, click this way. Step 2, you click here and search printing registration. If you don't show the printer, you search IP here, printer here. You search IP network, click menu and button down, click and network and click select OK and VLAN and IP. Click select document for smartphone and click the document. Okay, this here pick document and test print document with smartphone. Printing, please white. This is the print and test print successful. This you looking printing. Okay. If you are printing long, okay, one more testing printing. Click document, you select your file document, your smartphone and printing the document, and you're looking here pick document. One more, this way, specification document and your print. Please white. Okay, this my video. Thank you for watching, and your photo I have now tried this here printer now color, and if you're printing color, testing the print. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. I'm sorry I talk English not good. I hope you tutorial like for you, and thank you for watching. See you, bye bye. Hello guys, now we need install print Docuprint you looking the serial and testing print for smartphone. Okay, step 1, you search Fuji Xerox, you search Fuji Xerox from Play Store. Click Play Store, use Fuji Xerox and open. If you install Fuji Xerox print, okay, Fuji Xerox print you install, open. Okay. Step 2, click this one. Step 2, you click here, search